Good morning, folks. It's Friday morning, the Valentine's Day, the 14th of February, and coming up to another weekend. So let's have a look at this German DAX market and see what we've done in the last week or so. You see, we completed this 5-point expanding reverse wave up in here. That was earlier in the week, and then we backed off right into the old breakout high area and you can see now we've rebounded yesterday, and now we're back up testing these highs one more time. So this is quite a reliable reversal pattern right up in here. So if we just come down below this little area up and have a look where we are on a smaller time frame and look at what the possibilities are. Well, you can see we made the high over here, and then this was the back off that we had yesterday, and then we reversed and we're testing the high. We're actually taking the high out. Now, all we've done is a little ABCD pattern to the downside. So the key to this now is whether we can get back above this prior resistance, broke through it, tested it, made a lower high, and then we've broken down. Oh, broken down, hardly. So now it's a case of if we get back above point C, that sets up a potential for another ABCD to the upside, ABCD, and that'd complete a nice little 3 drive to a top somewhere around at 13,800 area is what we'd be looking for. If the eye's in and if we can't get above point C and we start down, there is a little 135 pattern from that low, 135. That's so that would be a low risk buy or a pretty low risk sell as well from here. Or you could wait. If you get back above point C, that's looking pretty much as though we're going to go up one more leg at least. So keep a close eye on that. It's looking. We'll have to see what unfolds. There's a lot going off, and there's not exactly brilliant economic news out of Germany either. But the markets just don't seem to care. So, keep powering on up. So. Okay, so that's what I'm saying. Watch this 770, 775 level. If we get back above there, that's probably we're going up a little bit more. But if we can't get above this point B, if we can't get above that prior resistance and we start lower, then that's telling us that this 4-hour pattern is probably going to start to work. Now the thing is, what targets would you look for? Well, you'd look for a swing equal to either that one or this one. So I've measured them both, that swing and that swing. And you see that one comes in round about I'd put target at 50%. Well, 382 initially. I mean, that's a decent drop. And then if it does the bigger drop, equals that one, then that's looking to move down to 786, isn't it? Test 13,000 one more time. But early days yet, so just keep an eye on it. 13,775, it's probably going higher. But if we can't get above that level, then we're probably going to start lower again. So it's just keep a close eye on it. This larger pattern's complete, so we know what we've done on the weekly, don't we, from going back. We've just taken out that ABCD by just a little bit. These larger ones coming in, all that's done is expand a little bit. So, but these are quite bullish weekly candles, so you have to respect that as well. Okay, folks, that's the German DAX for this morning. So take care and good luck with your trading.